Welcome back to a misty Catalonia where the sun is just about coming out. Today I'm going to carry on with the work that I started yesterday in trying to uncover these old tiles which I discovered yesterday. I'm not quite sure how far they're going to be. I'm guessing they might be on a line here where there was once a wall, but we'll only find out by digging them up. Well, as you can see, I've cleared all the earth out from here now, and the tiles appear in certain places, but it's not consistent all the way down. And I'm not sure yet how many tiles are under that section there. But what I'm going to do next, I think, is going to tidy up this part, and then I think I'll probably have a go at cleaning out and then perhaps removing sections of this wall. As you can see, I've taken the soil off the top of this wall and can now see more clearly how it was made. It doesn't make it any clearer as to why it is here. It looks like it's just a bunch of small rocks laid into some concrete, probably to about 30 centimeters, because underneath I think you probably could clear all the soil out from underneath it and reveal the tiles. So I'm going to try and knock it down manually with a pickaxe, and then I'll clear all of that away and hopefully have a clearer section of tiles to tidy up. After taking a couple of hits with the sledgehammer and the pickaxe, this concrete is pretty tough and firm. So I'm just going to try a slightly different approach by taking out the earth from underneath here and then seeing if I can get it to collapse under its own weight, and then I can tidy it up. That's the theory anyway. As you can see, it looks like a pretty strong bridge at the moment, so I need to pick a particularly weak spot and try and break it. Well, things are a bit clearer having broken down what I thought was a wall. It must have actually been some sort of drainage pipe covered in cement with a whole bunch of stones laid on top, maybe to protect it or maybe just to give it some more robustness. Anyway, I will excavate it and see where it was going at that end. And where it was going at that end, I'm guessing it was connecting to that channel that you can see with the bricks there. So after the breakup, now is time for the tidy up. I've finished the tidy up work for today at least, and I'm quite pleased with the way it looks, this ancient old patio. There's probably a bit more earth around here and here, which might be covering some tiles. But for now, I don't think it's worth my while digging it out. It'd probably just make my life more complicated. Well, the original plan was to remove a little bit of earth to make a surface here that was a bit flatter so that I could get some scaffolding up and do some work cleaning this wall. But it didn't quite turn out like that, and after I found a couple of tiles in here, I've now uncovered what I guess is about 150 tiles. It's kind of like an ancient old patio. I don't know how old it would be, and I don't know when the drainage pipe, the ceramic drainage pipe, was added in there. Now it is a bit clearer at least. I can try and get on with some work on this wall here. For now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.